Say you have a sphere on an incline, right? It starts at some initial point with a total energy of PE, or potential energy, and then it ends with a total energy of KE, or kinetic energy, right? So then that means that it starts with a potential energy of mgh and then ends with half mv squared plus half I omega squared, right? Now remember that the moment of inertia for a sphere is 2/5 mr squared, and omega is equal to v over r. Okay? So first off, mgh is equal to half mv squared plus half I omega squared, right? Because of the conservation of energy, the total energy must be constant, right? So the gravitational potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy, right? So then you get this equation here, all right? And remember that I equals 2/5 mr squared, so then we have mgh equals half mv squared plus half times 2/5 mr squared times v over r squared, because that's, v, omega equals v over r, right? Yeah. So then we got then we can cancel out the m's. Then we have g h equals half v squared plus, what is that again? Oh, 1/5 r squared times v squared over r squared. Cancel these out, and then you have gh equals half v squared plus 1/5 v squared. Alright? And then gh equals 5/10 v squared plus 2/10 v squared. So then gh equals 7/10 v squared. Okay?